in my travels, everyone I've spoken to said the same thing. The African sun hits your skin, especially if your skin is the color of mine. It's hot, no doubt about it, but it just does this thing where it kind of goes down into you, and then you realize for the first time that this is where your skin was made for or from. And for me, for the first time, that you are actually home. And I've heard that story before, but it meant nothing until I felt it. And just like life, and most of our experiences, they don't mean much until you experience it. Education is cool. Like, I was an educator for 10 years, a little over 10 years actually, in a New York City public school. And I learned very quickly. My students weren't learning from what I said, they were learning from what I did and watching how I dealt with life, and in particular, the hardest parts of life. That's where they really saw me, because they're pretty much geniuses learning how to be dumb, and we're helping them try to remain geniuses. That's what